headlock escape. I've seen so many fights where a bigger guy gets a hold of somebody and starts pummeling away until the fight's over. This is also a movement you'll see a lot of men try to employ on women. So we're going to show you simple ways to get out of this, because a lot of people just lock up and they don't think. So Chris is going to employ the headlock. Now Brittany's going to reach over. First thing, grabbing the eyes, pulling the head back, getting in the eyes. At the same time, what's open? His groin. Groin, hitting in the groin, gouging, gouging, gouging. The eyes is the most important part. You can start hitting with the groin first. Now Brittany's going to start bringing back over your knee. You're sticking your leg out behind him. Okay? Now, you can either tip him over or lift him, getting him to the ground. Tip it over, lift, getting down, finishing strikes. And we're getting out of the situation. One more time, we're going to show the details. Headlock, he's throwing punches. Reach over, grab the eyes, start hitting the groin. You don't need to worry about the grip. Just here, stepping behind with your leg, either tipping over or lifting. You can just tip them over and just bring them back down. That's it.
Okay, so we're going to go in a little more in depth on the leg positioning for this. So while she's gouging my eyes, go ahead and give it to me. She's taking the leg that's closer to me and tucking it up against the leg that's closest to her. And then she's going to hump forward a little bit. And that motion is going to make me fall down.